See, I've been in bum mode lately. I don't know if you saw that fail, but it's been like 2 weeks and I still have that stuff in my hair. I was going to wash my hair, but I just haven't felt like it. So for the past 2 weeks, I've literally just been braiding it up and bloop, throwing a wig on top of it, like the lazy bum I am. Since I'm in Lazy Town right now, it's the best time to try out this pre-mixed clay mask by Creme of Nature. I've seen a lot of people use it, and I mean, it's cool and all, but I love playing and stuff. So I personally prefer to mix it up myself, but not today. Not today. Today, now is not the time. It smells manly. Very, very manly. I don't know how I feel about this. Because it's like, that. Does it move? It does not move. Move, it doesn't. Oh, yeah, nope, doing none of that moving stuff. I don't know, man, that's kind of scary. I'm gonna put up with it today because we're taking the easy way out. So according to the instructions, you put it on dry hair and let it sit for about 10 minutes. We all know I'm gonna leave it in a lot longer than that. And then you rinse it out. So without further ado, I don't even know why I closed this back up. Like I said, my brain's not working right now. It's cooled up. So I'm gonna start making some sections. Alright, boom. Actually, let me be an adult and get a clip. Boom, got it. So back to the original mission. I'm just gonna put in decent sized sections. I don't know, they're pretty big, but it's lazy day. So we're not taking a lot of time on this. I'm just gonna zoom right through this. Or at least attempt to. What you doing here? Get up here. My hair still feels hard and sad from all that hair wax that I used to color it. It didn't even turn out right. It's such a waste of effort. Alright, boom. That's what I'm rocking with. Look at this nonsense. It's like colored in one area, then empty in another. So dusty looking. Why'd I do this to myself? A moment of truth. This feels just as sad as it looks. I'm currently digging in it, don't mind me. But, I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about it. It's definitely fun. It's actually not as dry as I thought it was going to be. Alright. So I'm gonna just whip it up, whip it up, whip it up. And I can feel it getting under my nails. Oh, I'm so offended. Oh, alright. Bam, let's try this. Hopefully this is enough. Alright. Definitely not enough, but it was worth a shot. And yeah, I'll probably make a face every single time I stick my hand in a jar. Just can't help it, man. comparison real quick. Boom, 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 bam. So I'm finally done my whole head. Took a lot less time than I'm used to, but just as messy. It only took about 20 minutes, and I was taking my sweet time. That's a good deal. So it says to leave it on for at least 10 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for about 30. And it doesn't tell me whether or not to use a cap. It just says leave it on. So I'm gonna grab a cap. So I'm gonna grab a cap just so it's not in the way while I do whatever the heck I'm gonna do for these next 30 minutes. But I'll see you then. It's actually been an hour because time always kind of seems to get away from me. But this is what we're looking like. So I actually still have half a jar left. I don't know if I just went too crazy because like my hair is not that long, but it is pretty thick. So I'm just gonna rinse it out and then we can see the magic. All right, I am back and this is what we're looking like. Not too shabby for a shortcut. And I just rinsed it out. I didn't even shampoo and all that good stuff. That's a battle for another hour because I got somewhere to be actually. I'm already running late, but that's kind of the standard. But I'm also not trying to be out all day, so I gotta go. But thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.